you. Kayak. Ice pop.
Magical ice pops, they give you powers.
Even you will be strong. Blue is my kid. And then a berry.
Tastes like orange.
Tastes like cherry.
Tastes like mango. I got fast power.
Unbreakable power. Right here.
If we have powers, we can find bad guys.
Oh, now that I'm left from jail, I can finally rule the world and turn everything into birds. I shall not be defeated.
So, listen, I'll take these in these fighters. Okay?
What are those kids doing? This is supposed to be my role. I know exactly what to do. Ice cream! Ice cream! Now I can finally destroy the pile. Got some of this, that, and some of this. Now I will destroy this box. Hey-ya! See if they can handle this now. Ooh, they're coming back. Oh, now they won't see me. I'm camouflaged. And you found me. I destroyed your leaf pile. Ha 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 ha. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I'm flying back to the tropical forest. Woohoo! Oh.
Get the bag. You're gonna sit some more.
Look at you kids! Oh.